So here, after opening everything of this Kickstarter assembly, we have found out that everything, like this is rattling, even the kick, if you can see it. Just a second, please. And this thing is rattling. Let me do it other way. And then when it goes up, it touches here, therefore you can see the marks here after touching. And well, it is quite difficult to do it with, now you can see it, now it is touching here. So then if you see there, this part, this is touching the surface here, and not only that it is touching, but also if you can see, you can see here, let me do it properly here. See, it is also rattling in here. So what I think is I'll have to go to a proper lathe worker and have it all redone. All these holes, this hole, this hole, this hole, this hole, here, this shaft, all they need to be shimmed and tightened up. Let's see. But anyhow, we have found the problem, which is good thing. Now after it will be done by the lathe machine worker, then the machinist, then I will show you what has been done, and after that I'll assemble it and put it back on the bike.